Hey guys, and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making cappuccino muffins topped with cinnamon crumb. Hope you enjoy this one. Try it yourself and let me know how it goes. Enjoy! We're starting off with the cinnamon crumb topping, and you need half a cup of white and a quarter of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 cup all-purpose flour, and half a cup of margarine or butter. In an empty bowl, mix all your dry ingredients. Once that is done, add half a cup of softened butter to the dry ingredients and mix like in the video so as to create a crumb. Lastly on our toppings list is chocolate. I prefer milk chocolate, but then you can add dark chocolate, you can add choc chips, whatever suits your fancy. I chopped my chocolate like so, and that's how I created the topping. Now for the star of the show, cappuccino muffins. This is the ingredients list of all you're going to need. Let's get into it. Beat and whisk 2 large eggs. Add 3/4 of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, and whisk away. Once done whisking and happy with the consistency, add 3/4 of buttermilk and 1/3 of plain yogurt. You need half a cup of canola oil, vegetable oil, or whatever suits your fancy. Then 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence and continue to whisk. Add 2.5 tablespoons of instant coffee and mix like so. It's okay if the granules don't dissolve entirely. This adds to the taste and texture of the muffins. Now for the dry ingredients, you need 3 cups all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon baking powder. Add these to your wet ingredients and mix. Careful not to overmix, and it's okay if not everything is mixed through. Now for my favorite part of this process, the chocolate. Fold it into the dough using a rubber spatula like so, and leave some for the end. Careful not to overmix. Now that is done, we need to transfer our dough into the baking pan lined with baking paper or cupcake holders, whatever you prefer. I measure a full spoon and a half into each holder. Now for the cinnamon topping, you just sprinkle that all over your cupcakes like so. Top that off with leftover chocolate pieces like this, and you are good to go. Look at this gorgeousness. Our muffins are ready to be baked. So off they go into the oven for 15 to 20 minutes at 180 degrees. Do not overbake. Our muffins are baked through. Look at that gorgeousness, you guys. They taste heavenly. Please do plug yourselves, try them out, let me know, you guys. And till the next video or vlog, I appreciate you so much for being here. See you soon.